Hey guys, guess what? It's been a couple of weeks actually for me. I know not for y'all, but for me it's been a couple of weeks since I've done anything on the camper, and I'm fixing to jump back on it. I gotta get this thing done. I need to get it ready to go fishing. So let's go. Alright, last time y'all were here, we just finished up these cabinets over here. So what I'm going to start, and I'm just going to continue on. I'm just going to keep going and keep going. I'm going to do this set of cabinets right here, this one that goes across, and then I'm going to do all the bases down here. I'm going to do all of these from side to side, all the way around that horseshoe shaped dining area, which will also be the bed. I'm going to do all those, and I'm going to continue on up on the uppers. So I'm not going to record all of this time. I think probably this time I'm just going to tear into it and work. I may record a little bit, but I'll stop and give you updates, along the way. Maybe even tell you a story. Who knows? But we'll get to it. All right, let's go. This is Clarence Cadiddlehopper, and you're watching my YouTube channel. Woo, doggy, let's go build, break, or blow something up. All right, told you I'd give you an update. Here's the bones. Here's the bones. Bones to the other one. Now, you'll notice it's a little different than the one I built before. That's because this right here is going to be for clothes. And I want to point this out right here at the top, what I did. Now I know there's a shadow of all things, but if you look right here, you'll see this notch. I just added a piece across here with a notch. Now, right there, I added another one. Same notch. It's just a 1 inch by 1 inch by 1 inch notch. And what that's going to do is, that's going to allow me to hang a bar right across there. And then I can hang clothes. Now this is pretty big for me. My shirts are, well, I take 40 inches from the top of the hanger to the bottom of the shirt, so yours might be a little different, but I'm gonna keep on going. Here we go. Okay, so we got the other one done. This one right here, all bones. Started laying this one out for going across the back top. So as you can see, I just drew it out so that I could know what I was doing. And well, that way, since I slept last night, I'd remember today. So I'm gonna get on back with it. Let's go. Okay, here's the big reveal of the bones of the back upper cabinet. Here we are. There you go, guys. All right, I gotta put in. So, just in case you've ever wondered how I'm doing this, doing a box frame. Okay, this right here, this one, this ties it from front to back. Then you can see right here, I've got one that actually goes from the bottom all the way up. Right here, goes in behind and connects, so that this front piece right here, whenever you're using it, you nail right straight into the part that is actually right there, that is connected to the ceiling. And then this actually hangs from that. And guys, I'll tell you what, it's pretty stinking strong. Ugh. I was almost hanging on it, so it's pretty cool. So there you go, box framing 101, or should I say box framing redneck style. So, next up, I'm going to go ahead and cover these. And we're going to continue on. I'm going to just put all this in one. I'm actually going to cover all these and then route them out and show you when I get it done. I'll get back with you then. All right. All right, so I got them covered. I got my 1/4 inch on. Got my holes drilled, ready to route out for all of the doors. So, whoop, here we go. I'm going to go ahead and do that. And then, you know what? It's getting closer and closer. It'll be time to put one across on each side at the top and 3 to go along the bottom. Let's see what happens after I do this. Let's see how it looks. All right, here we go. We'll see how much you catch and what you don't, and I'm sorry for the rest. But you know what? I'm by myself. I'm gonna go ahead and start this. Alright guys, that's it for today. You know what? I'm really enjoying this. I'm so glad that my camper's coming along. And you know what else? It's not going to be long. I'm going to be ready for paint. I got a couple more cabins to make, route out, and then we're going to be painting this too. It's fishing time. I got to get it done. I will catch you next time, and as always, if you like this and you want to subscribe, well, look around somewhere. It's going to be like up here, down there, or right here. There'll be a button to push. And if you want to see some more, just keep looking. There'll be one with those too. I'll catch y'all next time. And from now until then, y'all have a good night. See you later. Bye. Or as my wife would say, bye.